everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, then I am a mum to two little boys, a 2.5-year-old and a 3-month-old, and I am also an early years teacher and early years specialist. We absolutely love play in our house and I have lots and lots of play ideas to share with you. If you like DIY videos like this or you like play inspiration videos, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. I have lots of videos like that and lots more coming up. I also have lots of DIY ideas over on my Instagram channel, which is @mummypickles. I'll leave a link up here for you and pop a link down below. Do head over there. I post every day with lots of different ideas for play for babies, toddlers, preschoolers and slightly older children as well. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really quick and easy, safe bubbles that you can use with your baby or your toddler. They aren't taste safe, so just be aware of that, but they are safe to get on little one's skin. They're really quick and easy. It just takes a few minutes, so make sure you watch to the end so that you get all the information on how to make your very own bubbles at home. So all that you need to make your bubbles are some kind of bowl to mix the mixture in. I've used a big bowl like this just so that you can see more easily, but I would actually recommend using some kind of measuring jug so that you can easily pour the bubble mixture into your bubble blower after you've finished. You will also need some kind of bubble blower. This is filled with our homemade bubble mixture, but it used to be filled with bubble mixture from the shop, so we've just reused this one. If you don't have something like that, you can use a pipe cleaner or you can even use floristry or decorative wire, and all you need to do is create a loop in the top and twist the wire around like this to make your own bubble wand. You will also need some kind of baby bath or baby shampoo, a spoon for mixing, and then you'll need 2 cups of cold water, half a cup of hot water and some sugar. We're actually going to use a tablespoon of sugar in our mixture. To start off, you just need to mix half a cup of your baby shampoo or baby bath with your cold water. Next, you're going to pour in your water. Make sure that you do this slowly to avoid getting any surface bubbles. You can see how slowly I'm pouring the water in. You really need to go slowly and then just mix very, very gently. You don't want to create surface bubbles because this will make your bubble mixture less effective. The next thing that you need to do is to mix your sugar and hot water together. You just need 1 tablespoon of sugar mixed with some hot water. Make sure that you stir until they're combined. This step is not actually essential, but it helps your bubbles to have more elasticity and be less likely to pop as soon as you blow them. Combine your hot water with sugar with the water and the baby shampoo or baby bath. Make sure again that you pour the water in very gently to avoid creating too many bubbles, and mix to combine. Now your bubble mixture is finished and ready to decant into whichever vessel you would like to use to blow out of. Then you need to make sure that you leave it overnight so that the mixture has a good amount of time to gel together and set to create the best bubbles. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. If you like this video and you would like me to make more quick and easy DIYs like this, then please give it a thumbs up so that I know to make more videos like this. And make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss when I post a new video. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and I will see you all next time. Bye.